I'm not so good at using this. So this is a one user want to ask what the author of this picture, who is the author of the picture, and upload to our site. And actually, these are results from our database. And you can see like this. And here is the first one, the actual exact same one. And you can check the author here. It's Edmund Brenner writing. That is the lot of answers. Thank you.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you so much. I'm going to start off with the first question. So this is this just a skunk work type project within Hitachi? Is this a separate brand? Is it something that Hitachi bought? What's the basis to the Hitachi brand? How does that work?
Connection. Yeah, our project is kind of a startup inside Hitachi, so different brand.
And is your goal to sell it within the company so they integrate it into Hitachi products, or is it to go outside of Hitachi and generate interest in new markets?
Oh yeah, the main purpose of our project is it's one it's a B2C model is provide this service to consumers, and second is that we receive another few inquiries from e-commerce site, so we plan to provide this to e-commerce sites or professional photoshop sites as a service. So we are seeking their partner outside Hitachi.
Thank you.
Are you familiar with RIA? R-I-Y-A?
Sorry?
R-I-Y-A. It was a company that had some similar technology a few years ago.
Is it RIA?
Yeah.
Oh, RIA is actually Like.com, and Like.com is acquired by Google, I think, the last of August.
So how do you compare?
Oh, yeah. One, the characteristics, one is a strong point, is our scalabilities. We index more than 80 million images on the web, but if your database is just around 1 million, it's not so difficult to handle this kind of image search. But if your database exceeds 10 million or 50 million, it's extremely difficult to return result within a second. So one is scalability, and the other is that we allow you to upload images to our site. That means we do not rely on metadata. So these are a big difference between the Like.com.
So if I'm like, if you're hi. Hi. So if I am someone purchasing your technology, like I'm a photo bucket or I'm some other media company, when I purchase your technology, am I purchasing the algorithm or am I purchasing the service to grab from your site? Do I have to do all the crawling myself, or am I just purchasing like the rights to use your technology because you have a patent on it?
Yeah, we plan to provide this as a service. So we will provide the API to you, so you can register to our site your data, image data.
So then, does your model for growing all the images that you index from and you like statistically attribute to other images, is that based primarily off of how many people that you register on your site, like your customers?
Yeah, it depends on how many images you index and how often your customer use our stuff, your customer search at your site, at your site.
So I know that when my wife goes to look for a particular item, she knows exactly what she wants. And I don't think a search engine that's going to show her other stuff that might be the same color would work. So with regard to Gazupa's style, what is it that you're matching? Is it the shape? Is it the size? Is it the cut? Is it the fabric? Is it what? How does that work, or does it?
Different color, and you can search for based on color, different color items, and also different shape.
What is the description? How is it that your search engine is going to pull up a fashion item?
If
It looks the same.
if you know the exactly the brand or size, or if you know what you want, you don't need to use it. But if you do not know, or if you want to search for the different or similar one or different brands, it will be useful.
So I don't mean to hog the microphone here. So if you're looking for a particular pair of jeans, let's say, how would Gazupo style work? 'Cause then it'll pull up every pair of jeans in the universe.
Uh-huh. So if you click some photos of jeans, we will show you the different type of jeans, but similar ones, cheaper ones, and different colors.
Okay, thank you. I was just curious. So, sir, question?
So yeah, as you say, I could totally see e-commerce sites using your technology. Yeah, I was saying that I could totally see e-commerce sites using your technology because it's kind of a recommendation engine. That's what like Amazon is spending millions on. But have you thought about turning your service into some kind of meta e-commerce site so that you crawl different e-commerce sites?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say I see product I like on whatever Amazon, but I want something cheaper but maybe outside of Amazon. So I really need to know that the data is recent in terms of price, in terms of product availability.
Yeah.
So have you thought about that?
We update our data, and we update we show you the latest data to users, and also user go to the original shopping site, they know the price, but actually it's the same price on our site and the original site.
Okay, I think we're out of time.
Thank you.
Good stuff. Thank you very much. All right, so we're halfway through the demos. Next up is going to be Coupa. And Coupa is a framework for iPhone and iPad ERP app development, which is very interesting. And we're going to hear from Tsutomi Sakaki, founder and CEO. While these guys are turning on real quick, I just want to make an announcement that after these demos are all done up here, we're going to do what we call our 60-second spots. And essentially, that's your opportunity to get on the stage and grab the microphone and actually make an announcement into the room. We also log it online, and we'll publish it on sfutech.com later on tonight or tomorrow morning. So it's both in the room here and mobile. People have had great luck finding people to work with them, or find some people have found some money that way too. Or if you're looking for a job, it's a good way to kind of put your name out there. We're under the microscope here at SF Tech. A lot of people are looking into what goes on here. So if you're interested and want to grab the microphone, we'll do that after the demos, and we'll just line up on the side here and just say what you want to say. It's my favorite part of the night. So it's fun. You guys ready? Okay, great. So tell us all about Coupa. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Stone Sasaki, and I'm the founder and CEO of iCube Systems, located in Onojo City, Fukuoka Prefecture. I'm very happy to be here. But sorry, I can't speak English, so